welcome back to another unboxing with Tony's phone collection. Today is going to be a whole bunch of videos actually posted about unboxing videos. This one has the most phones. I bought these individually from a seller and he just packaged them all together. Obviously save money on shipping because it works better that way. Big old dent right here, so hopefully everything's okay in here, but we'll see what happens. Air packaging right there, and a couple of them came out of the bag, and some more air packaging. Looks like the dent was air cushioned at least, so I think we'll be all right. So here's a couple of them. I'll just take them out of the bag. Boom. Starting off with this Pantech. It is the Pantech Duo, if I remember right, the C810. It is a AT&T phone. I think I already have one in red. As you see, it slides this way, slides that way. A little bit of deformation or dead pixels in the LCD. But other than that, looks to be in really good shape. Here we have a LG Chocolate 1 or 2. I think it's the first actually, the VX8500R. Got some damage down here on this bottom lip, as you can tell. Not good, but no battery. I do have another one. That's with a different carrier that I'll be taking the battery out to test it. Here is a Samsung SGH T209. Has a SIM card. I love free SIM cards. Phone looks to be in decent shape. Keypad looks good. The rubber doesn't seem like it's falling apart either yet. So here's this one. Have to test it as well. We'll go with this LG VS660. No battery. I think it's got a capacitive touchscreen on it. Seems to be in, I would say, poor shape actually on this one, but we'll see what happens. I might drop test it if it doesn't work or whatever's wrong with it. We'll test it out for sure. LG CU575. No SIM card. Charging port cover looks to be missing. No SD card. There we go. No back or battery. That sounded really crunchy when it opened. So here it is. LCD looks good on this as well. I might have a battery for this actually, I'm not too sure. Looks like it's probably built into the back cover with this piece right here and all that stuff, so probably gonna have to get a battery for that one. I've been looking forever to get one of these. The LG Fusic on Sprint. I see I have the music, but I don't have this one. So I've been waiting to get this one. It does have an SD card in it. 64 megabytes. Okay, there we go. Let's put this back in. It takes a normal LG charger, it looks like. Right there. Fully functional, as you can tell. There's that one. We also have this Nokia 6085, which I think I have one of these with AT&T, but the displays are cracked and this one works. Let me see if I can grab that other one. So I'm pretty sure I have it. Because I bought this one to hopefully take the board out of my AT&T one and put it in there. Because I prefer a name brand carrier on my phones if I can. Here is the one I have. model, 6085. So yeah, it's the right one. And see, mine actually is black around the edges and stuff, so it's pretty cool matching. So we'll see what kind of mismatch things we can do to make these work. This one has a busted LCD, as you can tell. Let me see if we'll be able to tell or not. There we go, right there, as you can tell. Completely busted inside and out as well. So bought this one for hopefully parts to fix that one. We'll see how that goes. Don't think it has an SD card in it either. Nope, no SD card. Typical Nokia charger on the bottom right here. So let's go to these ones up here. Here we have another LG VX8500. This is in black. Let's see, as it is with Verizon as well. Looks to be in better shape. This one looks to have survived. I don't like that red one. So I'm not sure what happened to that, but this one looks to be in decent shape as well. I never knew these were actually touch sensitive. I always thought they were actual buttons, but these are actually touch sensitive. Kind of like these buttons here on the side. They don't actually click. So as you can tell, it's almost dead. Have charged it up. And then we got these three left right here. Here is a Nokia. That's a big battery for a flip phone. 1500 milliamp hours. Okay. Nokia 6650, if I remember right. If I can see, I think it's 6650 right there. Maybe there we go. Yeah, 6650. This one I think had broken LCDs, or they just didn't display anything like that. Let's see if there's any charge in it. Looks to be dead. I would say it's in probably average shape. This is metal on the front and on the back. You can tell there's a big dent there. There's a little bit of a dent right there. So yeah, that's pretty cool to have though. I do like aluminum phones, especially flip phones, pretty cool. Here we have this Nokia 5190. This is with, I don't know, I have it here. Let me see, maybe it's under here. A voice stream. There's a SIM card in it. No battery, which I think I have one to test it. It's got the transparent front mod. Looks like this piece is broken right here though. See, looks like an impact here, and right here kind of cracked. But still looking cool. Like transparent phone, so that's pretty nice. And then lastly, we have a Samsung SCH A670. Yeah, A670, yep. Proprietary Samsung charger port on the bottom. Front lens is missing right here. I won't say it's in poor shape on this one. A lot of paint's chipped away, but it does work from it, right? It might be dead. Oh, there we go. Front LCD actually works as well. There we go. Fully working. And that would be all of this unboxing of these phones, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.